Surah AL Qiyamah, the Day of Judgment. This surah is Meccan, containing 2 sections and 40 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
لا أقسم بيوم القيامة
I swear by the Day of Judgment.
ولا أقسم بالنفس اللوامة
And I swear by the soul that blames itself.
أيحسب الإنسان أن لن نجمع عظامه
Does man think that we will not gather his bones?
بلى قادرين على أن نسوي بنانه
Of course, we have the power to restore him to his fingertips.
بل يريد الإنسان ليفجر أمامه
Rather, man chooses to deny what is in front of him.
يسأل أيان يوم القيامة
He asks, when will the Day of Judgment occur?
فإذا برق البصر
So when the eyes will become stunned,
وخسف القمر
and the moon will become dark,
وجمع الشمس والقمر
and the sun and the moon will be merged.
يقول الإنسان يومئذ أين المفر
On that day, man will say, where is the place of escape?
كلا لا وزر
Never. There will be no refuge.
إلى ربك يومئذ المستقر
On that day, the stay will be towards your Lord alone.
ينبأ الإنسان يومئذ بما قدم وأخر
On that day, man will be told what he has sent forth and left behind.
بل الإنسان على نفسه بصيرة
Rather, man will have full insight regarding himself,
ولو ألقى معاذيره
even if he presents all his excuses.
لا تحرك به لسانك لتعجل به
Do not move your tongue with it that you may hasten to memorize it.
إن علينا جمعه وقرآنه
Indeed, its compilation and its reading is upon us.
فإذا قرأناه فاتبع قرآنه
So when we read it, follow its reading.
ثم إن علينا بيانه
Then indeed it is upon us to explain it.
كلا بل تحبون العاجلة
Pay heed, rather you, i.e. disbelievers, love the transient world,
وتذرون الآخرة
and you abandon the hereafter.
وجوه يومئذ ناظرة
On that day, some faces will be glowing with joy,
إلى ربها ناظرة
looking at their Lord.
ووجوه يومئذ باسرة
And on that day, some faces will be excessively frowning,
تظن أن يفعل بها فاقرة
realizing that a back-breaking punishment will befall them.
كلا إذا بلغت التراقي
Of course, when the soul will reach the throat,
وقيل من راق
and it will be said, who will blow a charm on him?
وظن أنه الفراق
And he will realize that this is the departure, i.e. death.
والتفت الساق بالساق
And the shank will be entwined with the other shank.
إلى ربك يومئذ المساق
On that day, the advance will be towards your Lord.
فلا صدق ولا صلى
So he neither affirmed nor prayed,
ولكن كذب وتولى
However, he denied and turned away.
ثم ذهب إلى أهله يتمطى
Then he went strutting to his family.
أولى لك فأولى
Woe to you, and woe to you.
ثم أولى لك فأولى
Then again, woe to you, and woe to you.
أيحسب الإنسان أن يترك سدى
Does man arrogantly think that he will be left free?
ألم يك نطفة من مني يمنى
Was he not a drop of seminal fluid discharged?
ثم كان علقة فخلق فسوى
Then he became congealed blood, so he created, then formed.
فجعل منه الزوجين الذكر والأنثى
He made from it two types, male and female.
أليس ذلك بقادر على أن يحيي الموتى
Is he who did all this not able to bring the dead back to life?